Hi there. If you are facing this marker problem in Camtasia Video Editor, then this video will show you how to disable or remove it from Camtasia. Here you can see some markers. I really don't know about their use, but when I hover the timeline, these bothers me. I just want to get rid of this. There is no option in the top to disable it. Click on this arrow, come to Marker, and finally untick this marker will remove the feature from Camtasia. This is simple trick to remove marker from Camtasia any version. Please be with us for more such useful video tutorials. Goodbye.